as a young boy of 15 or 16 years old, I thought we could play a little game called...
Yes. Fortnite.
Put the money on the walls. It's called What's This Noise? Okay, I'm going to play you a noise from before your time, and I need you to tell me what do you think it is.
Sure.
All right, here's the first one. What's that?
That's the internet starting.
That's a dial-up modem. Yeah, correct.
More or less.
All right, here's another one. Oh, I'm getting hits of dopamine as we go.
You like that?
Yeah. Oh.
Just sort of generic marimba, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't tell you, yeah.
It's the MSN Messenger notifications.
Oh, that's how you talk to each other.
Back in the day, yeah. Yes.
It was sort of pigeons and then that.
A big ticker from Dicko.
Wait, can I hear it again?
Big ticker from Dicko.
It's Big Tico from Dicko.
Correct.
It's not a big ticker from Dicko. It's even better. It's fully Ticker from Dicko.
That was what Netflix was when I was a kid. Ticos from Tico.
Tico from Dicko, eh? Tico and Dicko and chill? What? Come back to my place for some Tico and Dicko.